Welcome to Tool Zone. We've curated a brilliant mix of clips where seasoned pros handle their tools like artists. With unbelievable accuracy and control, watch the magic unfold as perfection takes shape before your eyes. Changing tires on a massive tractor is like trying to put skates on an elephant. But for a real pro, nothing's impossible. A few Herculean moves, the agility of an acrobat, and boom, the beast is rolling again. So that's how cardboard boxes come together. Pretty cool, right? Wow, creating a masterpiece on paper is tough enough, but turning an entire building wall into a canvas, that's next level. Precision like a jeweler, nerves of steel, and not a single chance to mess up. This is artistic adrenaline at its finest. In tough situations, you do whatever it takes to find a way out. Watching a giant machine roll up turf into tidy bundles is oddly satisfying, like watching sushi being rolled by a pro chef. Just look at this person's creative vision. It's genuinely impressive. Here's how paint is filtered to remove any impurities before use. This kind of work demands both precision and nimble hands. Weaving metal mesh isn't just a job, it's a performance where cold steel transforms into a flawlessly structured pattern. If you've never seen it in action, now's the perfect time to fill that gap. Out with the old, in with the new. These roofers handle the job like pros, smooth, efficient, and perfectly coordinated.
I feel
cutting dough into perfect portions before deep frying sounds easy, but watching it in action, pure sorcery. It's the kind of kitchen hack you'll want to remember forever. A chef expertly spins dough in the air, thinning it into a delicate sheet. He sprinkles it with spices, adds oil, and folds it into rectangular pieces before arranging the rolled dough beautifully on a plate. Have you seen this vibrant, eye-catching design? The creator poured all their creativity into it. Feels like every little detail has a story to tell. Isn't that amazing? Why spend big on a wooden table when you can get the look with wood-patterned foil? Just wrap it and voila! A stylish new touch for your space. That dessert pattern turned out adorably perfect. It's safe to say the design is now complete, and the treat looks just as delightful as it probably tastes. Struggling with plaster or adhesive? Try this pro tip. With the right tool, applying it is so seamless, even top-tier architects would be impressed. Can something this tasty looking be legal? That flatbread is hypnotizing, and the chef deserves a medal for this masterpiece. Remote controlling a giant bulldozer with a handheld device. It's not sci-fi anymore, it's cutting-edge tech brought to life. Curious how rubber is extracted for things like tires? This video breaks it down step by step. Hollow bricks? No problem. Just apply mortar along the edges and keep building. Achieving a flawlessly smooth surface takes serious experience. Every inch reveals the craftsperson's precision and care, proof that mastery comes from dedication and skill. Hard to describe exactly what's happening here, but you can't deny it's absolutely captivating. Honestly, just holding that knife would be intimidating, let alone carving radish art with it. perfect dough portions don't just magically appear. It's all thanks to this tireless machine. Smooth, uniform, and absolutely identical. So precise, even seasoned chefs can't help but feel a little envious. A trimmer set to 0 is used to neatly clip the horse's coat down to the skin. At first glance, it's a simple tool, but the way it produces crisp edges and sharp corners is seriously impressive. Just watch and appreciate the precision. These bakers turn pies into edible art. That finishing press, it's like the chef signing their name on a masterpiece. This creative gorilla hair solution is strangely captivating, hard to look away. A skilled artisan can turn even the simplest objects, like dice, into true pieces of art.